Alright, so this is on shape. So after you make your first file, you see something like this. Bottom left, you see your parts studio. This is where you make something or import stuff down here as well. You can do import from different files, so anything like that. Today we're going to be making a box. So basically, what you want to start off with, you're going to press Sketch up top left. You're going to pick one of your planes, so we'll start with front. So after you do that, you can click up here. You want it to be a planar view, so it's flat. So you have all the different sketch options, so you can pick any of these: rectangle, line, corner rectangle. We'll be doing corner rectangle. You just click one point, which is this is the origin, so this is the dead center of the file, and then you click another point, and then you see these different numbers. I use metric system, so there's millimeters, but you can set this to inches if you need to. What we're gonna do is make it a certain size. So we're gonna do dimension up here. You can also press D as a shortcut. Click boom boom. We're gonna make a square. So we just gotta set one side. So we'll do like 60 millimeters, and then we'll do equals, which is right here. We'll do equal sides. So everything is the same. So this is our first sketch. We're gonna rename this to base sketch, and after we do that, I'm just gonna hide these so we don't have to look at that. So this is our sketch right here. This is the origin. What you can do is press extrude, and then basically just develops it into a 3D shape. We'll do 60, so it's a perfect square. So we'll press new. So this is our square, and let's put a hole in the middle of it. So now, since we don't have to do one of the faces, like right, left, or front, we can just click the cube, and this is actually making the sketch on the cube. So then we can see the middle. So there's a little box, depending on like where you are on the line. So if I do the line tool, so this is the middle right here. So this is the dead center. And then if you press Q, these become construction lines, so you don't actually like make them or anything. So we're gonna just hollow out the cube, center point rectangle. We'll do this, and then we'll do equal again. So this another square, and then if you click dimension up here, we'll do we'll do 45. So now we have that, and then we can press extrude up here, and then instead of adding some, we can remove it to make a like a cup kind of. So now it's a little cup, and you can also rename this to like square extrude. It's good practice to name these like what they are, but when you're first like making it, it doesn't matter that much. Now we're gonna fillet it, which is just rounding the corners. Not that. Round the corners, you just select each corners after you press fillet. And then you see we also do this. Alright, so we selected all of our corners. Now we can pick how much we want to round it. So 5 millimeters will do. You can do radius. And you can do width. This is just a thing opening up. You can pick whatever. So we'll do 5 millimeters. Press yes. It's a nice little cup. If we want to 3D print this, like actually make it come to life, we'll do export, and then we'll export as STL. So this will be square cup. So STL, you can just be binary, and we'll open up our 3D printing software, which is Bamboo Studio. Yeah, but like that's how you basic 3D print something. This is also just a cup. If you want to add onto something, you don't need a sketch. You can just do a face. Like if you want to make it taller, you can just do this. Add like 50 or whatever, and it becomes taller. And just you can just put a sketch on anything. Curved surfaces don't really do much, or don't like sketching very much. So you want to do your fillets and like rounding the corners at the very end after you're done like, creating your object. Like we'll add a hole in the side here, because why not? And then dimensions up here, make it like 32, and just extrude. So since we didn't make this middle line a construction line, we can just cut out semicircles like that. I don't know. You could do that for like a window or something if you're developing something. That's the end of my tutorial. Good luck making a box.